Today, we will be introducing the basic aspects of physics. Physics is the study of matter in relation to energy. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Examples of matters include stone, oxygen gases, human being, and more. The study of physics has branches that cut across the field of physical science, and they are magnetism, mechanics, electricity, optics, wave dynamics, and nuclear physics. Fundamental of physics. Basically, there are three fundamental qualities in physics, and they are mass, distance, and time. Mass is the quantity of material contained in a body, and the System International unit for mass is kilograms kilogram, and System International symbol for mass is letter M. Time is defined as the interval between physical events, and it is measured in seconds s. The System International symbol for time is letter T, and the System International unit for time is second. Distance is defined as that space between 2 points on a plane. The System International for distance is letter S, and the System International unit for distance is meter S. We will stop here today, so in our next video, we will look at the derived quantities of these fundamental quantities. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math and science videos.